In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to add a payment method to Vinted. Whether you're ready to make a purchase or withdraw your earnings, I'll guide you through the simple steps to securely link your preferred payment method. Before we get started, if this video helps you out, please consider leaving a comment, subscribing to the channel, and giving it a like. Your support helps us create more helpful guides for you. To add a payment method on Vinted, follow these steps. Open the Vinted app and log in if you haven't already. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. In your profile, tap on Settings, represented by a gear icon. Look for the Payments option. Tap Add Card. Enter your payment details as prompted and ensure everything is accurate. Save your new payment method and you're ready to make purchases or receive payouts on Vinted. And that's it. You now have a payment method linked to your Vinted account, making transactions easier and more convenient. To recap, today we covered how to access your settings, add a payment method, and save it to your Vinted account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let us know if there are other Vinted features you'd like help with, and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.